In this video, I'll show you how to create a marketing automation on Framework360. We just need to go into marketing and there will be a convenient module called Indeed Campaigns. Here, we just need to click on Create New Campaign, select Automation, and then start creating our automation. Let's open a demo to make the video more streamlined and fast. As we can see, this is a marketing automation that can be created on Framework360, where everyone who subscribes to the prospect list, in this case, we can enroll the contacts from the customer module, or we could import a list, for example, of emails that we already have in the company. How can we see everyone who subscribes to the prospect list? The system waits 2 hours and then sends them a thank you for registering on the site name. Obviously, as we can see, these are emails, demo for this tutorial. Then what will the software do? It will check. If the customer within an hour, as we can see, there's the check, has read the email, if they have read it, the email checks if they have clicked on the link within 30 minutes from when they clearly opened the email, and then it will move on to do something else. For example, in this case, it can go back and send the email again. But I repeat, it's an automation. Demo otherwise, if the system detects that the customer who received the email hasn't opened it, so they haven't read it, it will send them a welcome SMS to their phone number. This is how we can see that marketing automation is very powerful because it can automate actions 24/7 that otherwise would have to be done by employees or collaborators, whereas in this case, it can be done all through the marketing automation module of Framework360.